If your Chrome look like this, you are not browsing, you are surviving. Today I will show you how to organize your Chrome tabs like a pro using tabs group, and this will instantly boost your productivity. Let's see the preview of group tab. So friend, here you can see that these are the different website tabs are open, and here we have already created some tabs, and when I click over here, set all the tabs will open automatically. This is useful website tab actually I have created, and these are the different websites I have added into useful tabs. So friend, here you can see that when I click over here, so all the tabs will collapse in this tab. Okay, and here the different tab actually I have already created. When I click over here, so you can see that other websites is also open here. So you simply click on it and you can see I have two tabs which is added with different colors, and different websites are added into a group. Okay, so let's see how we can create group tab and all things. I'm going to share with you how you can do that. Stay tuned. So now we are going to follow step-by-step tutorial to how we can use group tab in Google Chrome. So step 1, create a tab group. So friend, here you can see I have different tabs are open here. So simply right click on a new tab, and then you will see here add tab to group, and here you will see new group. You simply click on it, and here you will get one option to give a name of that group. So here we are going to add new group that is called work group, and here you will get the second option where you can select the color which you want. So for example, I want the color orange color. Okay, and here you will see this group tab is created with this tab. Okay, so this is created now, and if you want to add multiple tab in a group, what you will do, simply click and hold it, and then simply drag that tab into this group. So here you can see these two websites is added into work group. If you want to add another website into this group, then again follow the same method. You simply click on this tab and hold it, and then drag into this group. So this will automatically add it into this group. Now I'm going to share with you the second method to add this website into existing group. So here we are going to add this website into best website group. Okay, so here we are right click on it, and then add to tab to group, and then you can simply select best website group. So this will automatically added into this website group. Okay, so friend, this is the way where you can easily add website into group. So let's see how we can collapse and expand a group. Let's see that. Step 2, to collapse and expand group. So let's close all the things. Here you can see I have closed that websites, and all tabs are closed now, and here we are going to close these tabs also. Okay, and here I have two groups. One is the best website group, and second one is the work group. So we are going to click on this best website group, and again we are going to click on this work tab, and you can see that this is the one group and this is the second group. Okay, and we want to collapse and expand the group. Okay, so what you will do, simply click on this best website group. So you can see all the tabs are collapsed, and if you want to expand this group, you simply again click on it and all the tabs will automatically open. Okay, so here we want to close both group into collapse. Okay, you simply click on it and again we are going to click on this work, and you can see that all the tabs are collapsed now. Now friend, we are going to learn how to remove tab from group. So friend, here you can see that I have 2 tabs group, and we are going to open this work tab, and here you will see these 3 websites are showing into it. So we want to remove this tab from this work group. So what we will do, we simply select that tab first and then right click on it, and here you can click on this remove from group. Okay, so when we click on it, so you can see that this tab is removed from this group. Okay, this is the work group, and here also I want to remove one website from best website group. So what we will do, we simply click on this website first on this tab, then right click on it and then click on this remove from group. So friend, you can see that these 2 tabs are removed from these groups. Okay, here we are going to again click here and again we are going to click here, but you can see that these 2 tabs are removed from this group. So friend, here you can see that I have saved 2 groups, that is called tab groups, which is best website tab group and second one is work tab group. These 2 groups are saved into my browser. Let's see if I close my browser and again I will open that browser, then how this tab will help me. Okay, so here we are going to close this browser and now we are going to open Google Chrome, and again we see the tabs. Okay, so friend, here you can see that my tabs are saved over here, and this is very important for us. When we want to open best website tab, you simply click on it and your all the website will open over here. And if you click on this work tab, so all the work related tabs will open automatically. So friend, this is very important features from Google Chrome to save your important website into categorized tab groups. Okay, and this will increase your productivity. So friend, here are the pro tips for every user who are using Google Chrome. Here you can create separate groups for work, research, shopping, then YouTube ideas, and also if you are using AI tools, then you can make separate tab groups for separate category. So here friend, I am personally use one group just for learning, second for work, and third for best websites. So friend, comment below which things you will make your personal tab groups. So I will check and reply into your comment. Here the question, who should use this? So friend, if you are a student or remote worker or a digital marketer or researcher, this will change your workflow. As a digital creator, these features save me hours every week. So friend, if this helped you to organize your Chrome better, hit like button, subscribe to Hello Helper for simple, powerful tech tutorials like this. And next video, I will show you how to use Google Chrome's hidden productivity features. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.